The TempGuard wired monitoring system features a digital sensor with hassle-free installation. The system controller is built with a detachable GSM aerial antenna, digital sensor and power adapter. Connect the GSM aerial antenna to the system controller. Make sure to place the antenna at nearby location with good telco signal. To connect the power adapter to system controller, plug in the green connector cable at slot label from BAT1 to GND at the bottom side of the controller. Once connected, LED 1 on the controller will blinking every 3 seconds indicating established network connection. User need to check if the system is successfully connected and working properly by sending 999999 #STATUS# via SMS to the controller SIM card number. This number is stated on the controller label. User should receive SMS reply within 5 minutes from the controller SIM card number. Kindly contact our customer care line support at 019-214-0851 if you not receive SMS reply. Make sure the sensor tip is submerged into the glycol buffer bottle and filled with water or glycol. Place the sensor at the side or middle inside of the refrigerator. Slide the sensor cable through the door hinge and twist it once around the door gasket. To connect the digital sensor to system controller, plug in the green connector cable at slot label from DC5V to GND at the bottom side of the controller. If user purchased 2 sensors, plug in the second sensor at slot label from DC5V to GND at the top side of the controller. Plug in the power cable to a nearby power source and switch it on. Place the controller on top of your refrigerator or shelf nearby to your refrigerator. User may frequently check the sensor reading via TempGuard user web portal or G7 client mobile app.